Everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. I got Xavier here with me. We are in a 16 by 76 and we were super excited about this one because I have never showed this option before. We've got wood beams on the ceiling and whoa, Mama, check this out. A huge gargantuan, if that's a word, island. So when you come to the other side, you can see just how big I'm talking about. This is the Bancroft, guys. And we can do some seats there, some more seats there. So here we've got plenty of room for entertaining, for eating, for whatever you're doing on the island. But this was Xavier's idea. Usually we ship these barn doors separately, but will you come and show us how this works? So you can opt to have a spice rack or you can have the electrical right there. This customer is going to put a TV back there. So you can close the barn doors over the TV. How cool is that, right? Super modern, lots of barn door finishes. And this customer did a full wall underneath the cabinets of Grigio Belfiore ceramic, which is my favorite ceramic. There and over there. We also did behind the range. So I think that's a great idea when you're wanting to add some flair to your design. And this looks kind of strange to you because there is no barn door hanging there. It's over there on the floor, but another barn door is going to go right here. Coming back into this area, we've got the laundry room, and I apologize, it is a little dark. We're like wall to wall, siding to siding with other homes out here. So here we are in the master bedroom. And this may be tough to see, but I'm going to show you anyways. I love these square sinks. Look at this. I just think, I don't know, it just classes it up. I really enjoy it. So we've got a 60-inch tub shower combination, 2-seater over the commode linen. And then here's the master closet. Heading back the other way. Quickly, I just want to take a look at bedroom 2 and 3. They did an accent wall over there, but let me get another shot of this home all together. All right, heading down the hallway, bedroom 2 and 3. This home is going to the middle of Indiana. I designed this for my friends Brad and Valeria. All right, guys, this is the Bancroft, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,155 square feet, 1,152, somewhere in there. And we're super excited to build it. I'm super excited you watch my videos. Please give me a call, 260-383-1009. You can also make an appointment right on my main page. I'm the Mobile Home Mama. Thanks for watching.